In spite of the advances made in agriculture, many people around the world still go hungry. Why is this the case? What can be done about this problem? Although there has been some significant agriculture development, the members of certain areas are still suffering from famine. This essay will first suggest that the biggest reason for this starvation are the rampancy of civil conflicts and grinding poverty, and then argue that economic growth and the alleviation of social problems are the most viable solutions. Although there has been some significant agricultural development, the members of certain areas are still suffering from famine. This essay will first suggest that the biggest reason for this starvation are the rampancy of civil conflicts and grinding poverty, and then argue that economic growth and the alleviation of social problems are the most viable solution. The foremost reason for growing hunger are the armed groups are rioting everywhere and the national budget is limited. Firstly, as people engage in civil unrest, they neither concentrate further on harvesting crops or nor endeavoring to protect the land, thus disrupting food production and exacerbating already barren landscapes. Secondly, underdeveloped countries tend to prioritize manual labor due to lack of expenditure on machinery, which results in decreased efficiency and the minimum quantity of output that can hardly be enough to feed the increasing population. For example, farmers in Nigeria have to carry buckets of water over long distances since the government cannot afford an irrigation system. Possible solutions to these problems would be to alleviate the interpersonal issues of society and to foster the expansion of the economy. First of all, if the government can spot the roots of rebellion, such as disparities in wealth or human exploitation, they can ease the disruptive effects of them on farms. Moreover, the fact that the authorities invest heavily in reconstructing infrastructure, providing market access, or allocating resources for the field of agriculture greatly enhances food security and productivity. For instance, Haiti has recently worked on improving the texture of soil to plant more crops, particularly maize and wheat. Wait, I don't know. Moreover, the fact that the authorities invest heavily in reconstructing infrastructure, providing market access, or allocating resources for the field of agriculture greatly enhances food security and productivity. In conclusion, stemming the famine caused by wars and poverty is one of the most extreme challenges we face. But possible solutions could be to restrict social disputes and work on economic development.